In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit in 2025. Whether you're collaborating on a web project or simply need an extra pair of eyes to refine your site, sharing access in Wix can streamline this process greatly. So let's dive in and look at how you can efficiently share your website with others who may need editing privileges. Firstly, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll want to find the dashboard for the website you wish to share. Think of the dashboard as your control center. It's where you can manage all aspects of your site, including its collaborators. Now, click on the Settings option. This is a pivotal step because here is where you will control who gets access to what. Navigating through these options will lead you to a door of possibilities on how you can set permissions and roles. Within the Settings menu, under General, locate and select Roles and Permissions. This section allows you to manage who can do what on your site. It's crucial because assigning the right permissions ensures that each collaborator can access only the parts of the site they need to work on. Next, click on Invite Collaborators. This option enables you to add new people to your website's team. When you click this, a prompt will appear where you can type in the email address of the person you wish to share your website with. Entering the correct email is vital because it will send the invitation directly to their inbox. After you have added the email, move over to the General Roles section. Here is where you'll define what role this person will have. You can choose from predefined roles, but for our example, let's go with web designer. Choosing a role based on what you need them to do ensures that they have the right access to the tools they need. Once you're satisfied with the role selection, you can go ahead and click Send Invite. However, Wix also gives you the flexibility to customize roles if none of the predefined ones fit your needs. This is done by navigating to the bottom part of the roles list where you can see Custom Role. Clicking on Create Custom Role allows you to tailor specific permissions. You'll start by typing in the role title and clicking Save. Ensuring a specific name for your custom role helps keep your workspace organized. The next step involves setting permissions. Navigate to Permission, then click on Editor and customize the permissions as you see fit. After setting all permissions to your satisfaction, click Save again. Finally, you can click on Send Invite, and voila, you've successfully shared your Wix website, enabling someone to help edit and enhance it. This thorough approach to sharing site access ensures your collaborators have exactly what they need to contribute effectively.